Hello to everyone, and today we're going to speak about the Transportation Revolution project. First of all, I want to do a short review. Public transportation in Israel is inefficient. Instead, I suggest creating a dedicated routes and innovating a new bus design capable of navigation above the regular traffic. My prototype description is modifying existing buses with an electric lift system. This allows the bus to rise and lower at the press of a button connected to each wheel. Here we can see the prototype graphical description. The possible risks of this project is the country roads need upgrading for the traffic revolution. Improved infrastructure is crucial for my public transportation project, though the electric lift will raise costs. The possible solution is building tracks or specific lanes for new transport is essential. Integrating lift into wheels from vehicle production streamlines and reduces costs compared to retrofitting later. Necessary staff members for my project is first of all city planner. The city planner is needed for construction of future roads that will be adapted to the new transportation system. And second is mechanical engineer. To create an innovative bus, a mechanical engineer is needed to design the components and adapt them to mean of the transportation. The future operation of my project is market research. Market research is crucial for a non-exist traffic revolution. Effective marketing is essential to do the initial consumer hesitation towards its innovation, emphasizing its necessity and significance.